know that because of coronavirus pandemic, a lockdown was declared in our country. I decided to do something useful and productive in this lockdown. So I decided to do 53 online courses in just 20 days. Some of these courses include from top universities such as Harvard and MIT, Hinduism from Harvard and User Process and Innovation from MIT. Other courses include courses from top companies such as Google. I did the following courses from Google: Big Data Analysis, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, Analytics in 360-degree Environment, Google Ads, Display Management, etc. And other courses from other well-known universities include University of Michigan, Neuropsychological courses from University of Michigan, and How to Manage People During COVID-19 from London School of Hygiene, and other courses from British Council, Griffith University, Auckland University, Queensland University, Tasmania University, and many other courses on the field of entrepreneurship, digital skills, AI, digital skills, retail, and many other fields.
I am Hitesh Ganatra, Yash father.
Hi, I am Dr. Raksha Ganatra, Yash's mother. I will say something when right from the childhood, how Yash was. We both realized that Yash is a special child when at the age of 6 years, he started reading Bhagavad Gita and he used to explain us also. He started reading encyclopedias, human biology at the age of 5 and 6 years, and we were surprised. And that time we realized that Yash is a special child with a blessing of great memory and great understanding. He loves reading books. He used to read, he has completed history, world history, Christianity, Hinduism, and many subjects. And whatever you can ask him, he will answer it right in fractions of seconds. So in our area, Yash is known as the Google boy of Kutch also. Yash has done so many achievements, like he has conducted seminars for children's for mind development. He was also invited by Jamnabai Nursery School, Bombay, and he conducted a seminar over there. He was invited by a PhD student seminar at our Kutch University, and he also delivered a lecture over there.
आज मैं आपको अपनी ब्लाइंडफोल्ड और मेमोरी स्किल्स का डेमो देने वाला हूँ। मेमोरी स्किल्स में वैसे तो मैं सारे कॉन्टिनेंट के कंट्रीज के नाम अल्फाबेटिकली बोल सकता हूँ, पर आज मैं सिर्फ एशिया और ऑस्ट्रेलेशिया के ही बोलूँगा। मैं एशिया के कंट्रीज से स्टार्ट करता हूँ। अफगानिस्तान, आर्मेनिया, सर्बिया, बेलारूस, ब्राजील, रूमानिया, चाइना, साइप्रस, जॉर्जिया, इंडिया, ईरान, इराक, जापान, तुर्की, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कुवैत, सीरिया, मंगोलिया, म्यांमार, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, सऊदी अरेबिया, श्रीलंका, सिंगापुर, सीरिया, ताइवान, ताजिकिस्तान, थाईलैंड, टर्कमेनिस्तान, यूएई, उज्बेकिस्तान, वियतनाम, म्यांमार। अब मैं ऑस्ट्रेलेशिया के कंट्रीज बोलूंगा। ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फिजी, किरिबती, मार्शल, माइक्रोनेशिया, नाuru, न्यूजीलैंड, पलाव, पापुआ न्यू गिनी, सोलोमन आइलैंड, टोंगा, तुवालू, वनुअतु, वेस्टर्न समोआ। अभी मैं मुगल डायनेस्टी के रूलर्स के नेम विद द रूलिंग पीरियड्स बोलूंगा। बाबू 1526 to 1530, उबैद 1530 to 1540, 1555 to 1556, अकबर 1556 to 1607, जहांगीर 1607 to 1628, शाहजहां 1658 to 1656, औरंगजेब 1656 to 1707, नवाब शाह 1707 to 1707, बहादुर शाह 1707 to 1712, चौधरी शाह 1712 to 1730, फारूक शाह 1730 to 1719, वाफिउद्दीन शाहजहां to 1709 to 1719, मोहम्मद शाह 1719 to 1748, अहमद शाह बहादुर 1748 to 1754, आलमगीर to 1754 to 1759, शाहजहां 1759 to 1760, शाह आलम to 1760 to 1788, 1788 to 1806, अकबर शाह 1806 to 1830, शाह बहादुर शाह 1837 to 18. तो 6 का टेबल जो हम सिर्फ 10 तक बोलते हैं, आज मैं उसको 85 अब तक बोलूंगा। 6 12 13 14 15 16 67 81 90 96 100 208 114 120 126 132 138 144 150 156 162 170 168 174 180 196 192 198 204 210 260 280 28, 234, 240, 246, 252, 258, 264, 270, 276, 288, 294, 300, 306, 312, 300, 380, 324, 330, 336, 342, 358, 354, 360, 366, 372, 378, 384, 390, 396, 402, 408, 414, 420, 426, 432, 438, 444, 450, 456, 462, 468, 474, 480, 486, 490, 492, 498, 504, 5. अभी मैं अपनी ब्लाइंड फोल्ड स्किल्स दिखाने वाला हूँ. मैं ब्लाइंड फोल्डेडली ह्यूमन स्केलेटन्स के बोन को आइडेंटिफाई करूँगा. स्कल, लोअर जॉ, clavicle, sternum, ribs, humerus, radius ulna, carpal bone, metacarpal bone, phalanges, pelvic girdle, femur, tibia, fibula, tarsal bone, metatarsal bone, phalanges, scapula, Japan, India, Tajikistan, Greece, Vatican City, Finland, in Commonwealth of Nations, Algeria, Zambia, Zimbabwe, USA, Canada, Antigua and Barbados, Mexico, Uruguay, Palau, Vanuatu, Western Samoa, Kiribati, Nauru, Canada, USA, Spain, Turkey, Kazakhstan, China, Russia, Mexico, Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, Circle, M, K, Triangle, Jesus Christ, Suraj, 5, इंडिया का झंडा, कबूतर, 3, 8, 2, येलो, ब्लैक, 7.
Yash is a blessing for us. May God bless him and he keeps on doing achievements one by one. And we are thankful to International Book of Records for giving him the title Super Talented Kid because he truly deserves it.
I would specially thank International Book of Records for giving me this opportunity of Super Talented Kids, which include the title even of 1 in a million.